Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
My boyfriend's such a jerk, Larry. Yeah, he drank all the
Well, that
milk,
ain't
and then
right.
when I came back home from work,
Yeah, I know.
he used up all the toilet paper, so I had to use one more dishcloths.
Well, that's just
And blah,
nasty.
blah, blah,
Yeah.
blah, blah,
Mm-hmm.
blah.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I know.
Larry, can I come over and drink some beer with you?
Well, I told you, Lafawnda, I don't have any beer. I ran out today and hadn't had a chance to go to the store yet.
What can Larry Jr. go buy you some? Can you go
No,
get
Larry
you
Jr.
some?
don't drive. Sheesh. Shh. Yeah.
Yeah. What was that?
Oh,
I heard
what?
that. What was that?
There was Larry Jr.'s drinking fountain. The filter in it's kind of dirty, so it kind of chugs out some water, and that's what that sound was. Yeah, yeah, I know.
I think you got some. I think you just lying. You stingy bastard.
Yeah. Well, you're just a skank anyhow, so you steal all my beer, and that's all you ever do. Hello? Huh? She hung up on me, Larry Jr. Oh well. Guess I'll get another beer. Do you want one too? Yeah. How about this one? You want this one? We'll share it. Even though Lafawnda don't know that we have it. Hey, you know what I always wondered? If the lights are on the refrigerator, if it's on all the time. Do you think it is? Huh? You don't know? Because every time I open it, it's on. And then when I close it, does it stay on or does it go off? Does it stay on, Larry Jr.? See, it's on. Yeah, it's on. But when I close it, does it go off? I can't tell. Do you know? Do you see it? Is it on? Yeah, it's on. It's on. Can you look and see if it turns off? It's still on. I don't know if it's the freezer. The freezer doesn't do that. It's dark all the time. I don't know why. How come they didn't put a light in the freezer and they didn't down here where the beer is? I don't get it. Well, we'll just have another one then. Yeah. I need a haircut again, Larry Jr. Yeah. Hopefully Lafawnda don't try to come over and she'll see me drinking beer and I lied to her. I know it's not good to lie. Yeah.